It's Clayton from Badass Builds.
Logan here.
And we're planning on putting these two little springs under the dually rear end for our lawnmower to give that little bit of suspension whenever we're climbing over shit. Some people call it that Bill Stein suspension. If you come over here and look, we've actually been looking on different ways to mount it.
This isn't the lawnmower that we're...
Yeah.
No, but...
This is rear end.
Putting it in something like that. And taking the springs off of the seat for this one. And putting them underneath the front end to kind of make it flex. If you want to look at the front end up here, we got wheelchair tires on there for that 0 turn radius. Yeah, we actually thought about doing this a couple nights ago. Just occurred to us. We were in here and getting kind of bored, so we decided we'll just build a lawnmower. Make it go fast. We're gonna be loud, proud, and country. Hey guys, we're back. We got this 15.5 horse motor, and we're putting it on this motor. That there's an original 12.5 horse. The carburetor on it was junk. You can see that I took that off. I took the front end off of it. This was bad on it, but anyhow, to clean everything up. I don't know why. That wasn't our original plan to put that motor on this mower, but we got it over here today and we're ready to build, you know. Oh, in the last video, we forgot to mention our, we forgot to mention Slimy the Salamander. He's a productive member to our society. He just kind of does what he wants around here. You might be asking, why is it all spray painted and look like white trash?
Well, that's kind of the idea.
Yeah, that's kind of like what we're going for. Make it look like crap, so that way whenever we pull up to a mud hole and go right on through it, people are going to be amazed, you know. And yeah.
Alright, let's start doing some stuff. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to take the motor off of this one, and we're going to set both of them aside and probably do a little wiring work.
Some scraping, cleaning.
Yeah.
Just nasty.
What I'd like to do is redo the whole wiring harness on this.
We got
that way we know
one over there.
Done. Right at the moment, I'm working on
getting the motor off.
Taking the motor off. You want to come look up underneath the front or the bottom end of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll get the motor off.
There's a
can't see too much
underbelly of it. As you can see, somebody already done ripped the deck pulley off.
Have to get that replaced.
But so it turns pretty tight, see?
Yeah.
With these Bill Stein tires, with the Bill Stein suspension.
Shut up.
I think that there's about all for this video. Until we get that motor off, we'll keep you updated.
You guys thought it was over. But we're gonna go ahead and get the motor off of this one, and we'll check back in with you whenever
we got it
off.